Hello guys, just so you know, this is what you can expect. So while you're in quarantine, what you need to do, make sure that you're getting your work turned in on Canvas. Everything will be available on Canvas for you. I will actually have a week overlook video about what we're doing for the whole week. So it'll be on the Monday, and it'll be like a little YouTube video with me explaining what we're doing for the whole week. The starter will always be up here, so don't forget to be working on the starter as well. A lot of times the video or the question talks about what we're going to be talking about in class. And then there's a link to the assignment. So you can click on this link and it'll take you straight to that assignment. You also, just make sure that you're kind of paying attention to that and making sure. So here's like the weekly overlook video right there. All right, so make sure that you're paying attention to this Canvas calendar. And when you click on this link, it will take you right to what you need to look at. All right, and I have videos embedded in Canvas for you too. Well, hopefully it'll take you right to where you're supposed to go. There we go. For the project, there's lots of videos to help you know what you're going to be doing. So this is what we're going to talk about in class. All right, see you guys later. Email if you have questions.